Hi, boys and girls. You're going to read or listen and follow along to the text below. This is called Turtle. And then you're going to answer the questions to go with it. It says, Tess the turtle got a card in the mail. It was for a birthday party at Rabbit's house next week. Tess really wanted to go, but knew that she would have to leave right away to make it in time because she was so slow. Tess walked all week, day and night, until she got to Rabbit's house. Tess was so excited because she made it in time for the birthday party. Number 1, who was the story about? You can pause this and go back in your text to find the answer. Number 2, where was Tess going? Pause this again, go back in the text to find where Tess was going. Number 3, why did she have to leave right away? Why did she have to leave right away? Pause this and look for the answer for why she had to leave right away. Number 4, how long did it take her to get there? Pause this and find out how long it took her to get there. And number 5, it says 6, but it's number 5. How did Tess feel when she made it to the birthday party on time? How did Tess feel when she made it to the party on time? Pause it, go back in the text to tell me how she felt. Good luck. Listen to this again if you need to hear the story again.